everybody, it's Ashley, and this is a product introduction video for Ink2Paper's July 2019 release. In this video, I'm going to be introducing this die collection here, Banner Builders Basics, and it retails for $24. There are two different style of banners that are included in this particular stamp set, and you get 3 sizes of each of the 2 different styles. So you get 3 of the straight stitch border, and you get 3 different sizes of the curved embossed border, and then you get 3 different pennant sizes as well. So you have 3, 6, 9 total dies. Retails for $24. All right, so for the stitch straight one, you get a large, a medium, and a small, and you can use these just like so, or you can add the actual pennant to it. So what you would do is you would just simply die cut the large one 2 times, and then add it here and then here on each side. And you do the same thing for the medium, and add it here and there, and then for the small. So you would have to do 2 die cuts of the pennants and then 1 of the actual banner. The curved banner has an embossed border. You can see that there. It has an embossed border, and it's really cool because again you get the large, the medium, and the small different sizes, and you can leave them as so, or you can add the pennant banners. All right, so I'm going to show you how it looks. This you can use any sentiment that fits on here. That's why we designed these particular Banner Builder Basic dies, because any sentiment will fit. It's all up to you, but we did design the Simply Sentiments 1 stamp set to coordinate and complement this particular die collection. So here is the large one with the curved. As you can see here, you can see the embossed detail on the border, and I used the Just For You sentiment on here. Here is the medium, using Just For You, and I added the pennant banners on this one. All right, and all I did was stamp, but I just slightly bent my sentiment for the curved. Easy to do. Okay, and here is an example of the small here with that detail you can see. And sometimes you can offset the pennant. So that's the thing about this particular die collection. It allows you to control how you want to design your banners. So if you want them to have the pennant to be just sticking out on the sides, that's just fine, like this one, even flush. Or if you want to have it offset a little bit, some people like that for different designs, you can have it like that. All right, for the stitched, here's the large one, and here it is offset. I love that bold font there. Here is the medium. Stitching looks really pretty on there. And here is the small. You can see there. So a lot of different options. Looks really cool. You can use the pennant dies by themselves as decorative, elements. You can die cut a couple, layer them like so, or you can make the little kind of like flags and have 2 of them kind of together on the top of a card or some part of the element of a card. And so it's really just a great way you can use this particular die collection too. Another way you can use this die collection is layering. So when you see them by themselves, they are just simple stitched or embossed bordered type of elements, but you can layer them. So if I have a small one like so, and I wanted to layer it onto a medium one, I could do it like that. Or if I wanted to layer it onto a large one, I could do it like so. So they layer very well as an option too. You could layer them any type of way you want. Maybe not with the pennant like that, but you could do something like this and layer it like so as an option. You don't have to have it where they are just a single part of it, but you could do that. There's a lot of different things you might want to do with these particular die cuts after you've already die cut them out. So the cool thing about it is you build your own. There's different sizes, and it's all in one particular collection. So you're not scrambling around to find that random banner in a separate type of die collection. It's all here and ready to go. So for $24, you can get all these different banner options. And I hope you enjoyed this product introduction video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.